Radio West koyira mushomo wayo w'amakuru Nyankore Mazimba January yakabaga ko kumusibura no kumusima b'imyaka 20 yamaze nashoma makuru
agaherero kayo ndukutekateka abo kuba nuvuga hati ndiyo umwire wakanije kusibura iwompurikize ngo tujagara kumburuza Radio West kureka bobeno manyango Jan Mazimba yahomere mu ya Radio West.
Mazimba January yanzarwanya cishojwa kabera ruhinda mu district ya Mutoma agatandika kwana Radio West mu kwezi kwa kana umwaka gw'2022 kandi akumurira imyaka nkagana mushanjo.
Mwenyira kwebaza munonga Radio West mukampereza ye training yekumanya mushimire kwa ninjakare nka translatinga kandi shahimwe kwa microphone akantu wako kambira akantu karunye munonga bo kuba nanye na hati ni program akantu ko kumubwire nakantu akwindu kwesimira munonga
na mutebe katiza makuru ngasigaho ngamusijira ingenda then in the morning I would listen to Mazimba and I'm like kuko guy nachikora tabwe chira munonga you can't believe Mazimba okachera every day would be there. You read news and I'm like, Mazimba Ramshawa man.
New vision about Kwagarani. They are nothing. Okubera jealousy is not enough. Obera ungoli jealousy muno mulabanga. You are jealous. So what?
Very pivotal.
Moses Atengi mukuru wa Radio Native Vision Group asimere Mazimba January yo agokuma no kwedesora mu Nyankore.
The dream of the founders of the radio was that let people that understand and comprehend Runyakitara be able to know their language and learn more about it. Maybe when we do that through Mazimba, the younger people will learn a lot about the language through Radio West.
Okagenda abantu banterra bambuza Mazimba direhi abantu banjuma radio wachita bana janti police Mazimba kara yashazire mukumura ya humura.
By the same time ninyenda kusima harwa abantu benshi nko kumutira yagamba abakurebire.
Mazimba January yo abira maze imyaka 22 arukushwa amakuru ga Radio West.
Wabatembeye nacho
nanyenda kubuza Mazimba nko kugira mbigiri beta katuka
besu mara wakarchi
gasha kweri yesu tugusa